Hey folks, Watson here from Watson's Reviews, and today we're looking at a compact but powerful security camera that's big on versatility. I'm talking multiple ways to mount it, multiple methods of storage, multiple ways to hook it to your network, and you can even power it with a solar panel. Plus, it can even do 24/7 continuous recording. So let's go ahead and check it out right about now. Imagine having a home security camera that doesn't just passively record what's happening, but actually gives you the clarity, reliability, and peace of mind that you've always wanted. And that's exactly what the TP-Link Tapo Solar Cam 4K delivers. So let's start with the video quality, because at the end of the day, that's what matters most to most people. And this camera records in 4K Ultra HD, which has 4 times the pixels than your standard 1080p. And 1080p is not too bad, really. But with that 4K, that means when you go and look back at the footage, you don't just see shapes, you see crisp details. You can pick out facial features, license plates, even small text becomes clear and easy to read and recognize. And thanks to an advanced edge enhancement algorithm, the image sharpness gets an extra boost on top of that. So this isn't just a security camera, it's a tool designed to make sure you never miss those important details. And a good security camera doesn't stop when the sun goes down, so that's where the starlight color night vision really sets this camera apart. Many cameras switch to grainy black and white footage at night, but the Tapo Solar Cam uses a highly sensitive starlight sensor, along with integrated spotlights to capture footage in full color, even in the dark. So why does that matter? Well, for example, because seeing a person's clothing color, the type of car, or other small details can make all the difference in keeping your property safe. With color night vision, you get the context and accuracy that black and white just don't provide. Connectivity is another big feature. And although this does have a TF card slot, which I'll get into more a little bit later, the Solar Cam is great because of its wireless connectivity. It's got both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands. So that gives you some flexibility. Let's say if your router is close, you can take advantage of the faster, more stable 5 gigahertz connection. And if it's farther away, 2.4 gigahertz gives you a little bit more range, so your camera stays online and reliable. And you don't have to compromise. The camera's built to adapt to your setup, and you also don't have to worry if you don't have a dual band router. You can just use the one band or the other. All right, let's talk power. One of the biggest headaches with outdoor cameras is either wiring them up or constantly recharging the batteries. With the Tapo Solar Cam 4K, you don't have that problem. All you need is 45 minutes of direct sunlight, and that's enough to power the camera for a full day of use. So you don't have to worry about cloudy days or shady spots. The camera actually has a massive 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery that can keep it running for up to 200 days on a single charge. So if the sun doesn't cooperate, the camera's not going to let you down. Installation is easy and flexible. It's got an included magnetic solar panel kit, which comes with a 13-foot USB extension cord for the solar panel, so you can place the solar panel where it gets the most sun, and then mount the camera exactly where you want it. It also has a nice piece of mounting hardware if you want to mount both together. Totally up to you. So you could have the camera mounted under the porch, and then have the solar panel up on the roof doing its job. And since this is an outdoor camera, durability does matter. The Tapo Solar Cam 4K is built tough. It's got an IP66 weatherproof rating, so rain, snow, dust, or heat, the camera is designed to withstand all of that. And if you live somewhere with harsh winters, heavy rains, or blazing summers, you can trust this camera to keep working year-round. And in Michigan, we get all that stuff, so that's nice to know. Today alone, it's gone from frost overnight to sunny and 70 to, whoop, looks like rain. But I don't have to worry. So we know the hardware is good, camera's good, battery is huge. How about the software? Well, you're in luck because you've got a smart detection system working for you. Unlike many cameras that constantly ping your phone for every leaf that blows by, the Solar Cam 4K is equipped with advanced AI to accurately detect people, vehicles, and pets. So that means you only get notified when it really matters. Fewer false alarms, no wasted time, just the alerts that keep you informed and in control. I know I've had some older security cameras that you get so many alerts that you just start to ignore them. But then what happens if it's actually something important? So it's nice knowing that you only get the alerts that matter. Next, you've got storage, another area where the camera puts you in charge. So some brands will lock you into pricey subscription plans. The Solar Cam 4K gives you options. You can use a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes, and you can store those recordings locally at no extra cost. Although you do have to provide your own card, but they're also way more affordable than they used to be. And since storage is so easy and convenient, Feel free to take advantage of the 24/7 continuous recording option, which is something a lot of cameras don't offer. This is definitely one of those features that adds to the peace of mind aspect. But if you prefer the convenience of the cloud, you can subscribe to Tapo Care's cloud service. So the choice is yours. You're not forced into doing any kind of monthly payment just to access your own footage. But it's also super convenient to have everything on the cloud, especially since you can adapt it to multiple cameras, and it can all be controlled through the app. And speaking of the app, super intuitive, easy to use, walks you through all the steps to get connected to your Wi-Fi, and you can connect all sorts of other cameras and devices to this app as well, and have full flexibility and control over the options. And finally, something that often gets overlooked in smart devices, cybersecurity. So when connecting products to your network, protecting your privacy is critical. And TP-Link, the maker of the Tapo Solar Cam 4K, is a proud signatory of the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's Secure by Design pledge. So that means this camera was designed, built, and maintained with advanced security as a top priority. It means your data, your privacy, and your peace of mind come first. I've been doing tech stuff for a long time, and TP-Link has been around as a brand ever since I can remember. I have an old USB work hub in the attic that still works. It's outdated, but I've been trusting their equipment for something like 30 years now. So it's nice to see them get into the security camera game, since they seem to have a good beat on cybersecurity dating back quite a ways. So let's recap. The Tapo Solar Cam 4K gives you crystal clear 4K Ultra HD video with enhanced sharpness, full color night vision that can turn darkness to daylight pretty much, flexible dual band Wi-Fi for speed and range depending on your needs, hassle-free solar power plus a long-lasting 10,000 milliamp hour backup battery. Got the rugged durability with that IP66 weatherproofing, smart detection for people, vehicles, and pets, and that's subscription free by the way. Plus you have the storage options to fit your needs, local or cloud, and there's no hidden fees. And to top it all off, advanced cybersecurity protections built in right from the start. And all of that comes together in one sleek, easy to install camera that works good for you day and night, rain or shine, doesn't drain your time, your patience, or your wallet. I love that magnetic mount and the easy installation. And I also really like that extension cord so that you can put the solar panel wherever you want. So if you're looking for a reliable, subscription-free, and truly smart outdoor security camera, Tapo Solar Cam 4K is a very good choice. In fact, I'd say it's the best choice if you're looking for 4K, flexible storage, and solar power all in one. At least those are the big three selling points for me personally. So a good security cam is not just about watching your house or home, it's about knowing that it's protected effortlessly and reliably, and is also easy to use, such as with the easy mounting and the easy to use app. Well, there you go folks, excellent camera, excellent solar panel, great versatile features. Go ahead and pick up one or two for yourself, you're going to love them. And thanks for joining us on Watson's Reviews. Watson out.